Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, as you can see, there's an array of shower dispensers. This one came in this box. This one,
I'll move that out of the way.
This one here, my wife used to work for that company, and they were allowed to get certain products to try out, and also for low cost. So we've actually had this one sitting here in a box for several years now. And unfortunately, although we really like these, I, in my true wisdom and not using instruction books, they come with this kind of package here. And right there, those are double-sided sticky tape. Well, unfortunately, I just slapped that on there, put it up on the wall, and walked away. Thinking, oh, well, you get a couple options. This is pretty sticky stuff. I figured that'd work. And unfortunately, this fell off the wall and one of these broke. Now, otherwise, all in all, I could put this back together, and I had some replacements, but my wife decided to just kind of look and see if they were still out there. She wanted a new one for some reason, but regardless. And so she ordered that up. They're not that expensive. I will put a price down below if I can get a hold of her to tell us what it was. And they're pretty neat little dispensers. You open them up and you can put your shampoo and conditioner and body soap or whatever you want. It comes with these labels for different languages and things like that. Unfortunately, this one, there's a couple things about it I will say I don't like as much. And I don't know if these are going to fit in here or not. I'm hoping I can use these ones in here. Maybe if I break any of these or something, I can use this one for parts. But you can tell that this is a lot harder kind of a plastic, as to where this is more, I don't know, like milk juggy feeling. And it's just a little bit, yet again, like everything else, this is probably what you'd get if you went to OxyFresh now, if they even sell those anymore, but I don't know. Getting back on task, they're fairly inexpensive. This might just be the way they come now. They might used to be that way, because like I said, this is old. But it's pretty neat. The other unfortunate thing is this one only came with like one shampoo, and then it says shampooing, so I'll use that one. But I tend to put my shampoo, my wife's shampoo actually over here, and then we put conditioner for her in the middle. So it's nice to have a couple labels. But this one actually had two shampoo ones, so I was able to label this one. So I'm kind of actually wondering I might be able to put that on there. We'll see. Regardless, we're going to put this thing up. And because I screwed up, I figured maybe some of you out there would want a quick video on how to put one of these up. Not super hard, but you want to make sure you do it. I will say it also appears that you can screw this in. I would not do that in a shower, but if you had a wall that wasn't tiled and was just painted or something like that, you could probably screw this. And the first thing we're doing is on the back of this, there's these squares here, and it comes with these here, and peel that off, and on each of these squares you want to put one of those sticky things. Hand surgery, still kind of trying to get it to work right. Yeah, that one didn't go very well. That's alright. These are just here to hold this up while this sets. You're also going to want a level fairly quick at hand so that you can get it just right. Once you stick this sticky stuff on there though, you aren't leveling it, so try and be as good with your eye as you can. Now I'm going to wait to put this on until we're set up inside. So as you can see, I peeled the little crisscross green off the back of that on all these. Now we got our glue. The glue we are going to put along this edge and along this edge here, and also in the middle if we have enough. Then we're going to put a dab there, I'm just going to go all the way down there. I don't know how much of this you can see, but once again, now that we're messing with the glue, I'm going to keep moving and force my hand to work. Doing physical therapy for my hand here. Alright, I'm gonna smell that. Smells just like silicone caulk, basically. So I'm not going to say you could use that, but it does say all silicone right on the thing. So now we're going to put that where we want. We're close to it, but I'm setting it, I'm holding on the bottom down here. I got it away from the wall down on the bottom down here. And then I'm going to take my level and drop it. And probably that's not good for levels. Alright, taking the level, and when I get that kind of where I think it needs to be, I'm going to set that down, and she's close. A little bit of movement maybe at first, but you don't get a whole lot because I just pushed on that quite a bit to get that right. And then we're just gonna push this against the wall. I mean, it's really easy, but don't trust that double-sided sticky tape. That's the main part of this video, is that that stuff will not stick and hold this up, and it will come crashing down in the middle of the night when you're asleep and you think somebody broke in your house. I did this downstairs in my shower downstairs, but I did it probably, I don't know, lots of years ago. Now there's little things here, you can peel these off the inside. Anyway, did it several years ago downstairs and had the exact same thing happen. And I remembered it after this came crashing down, and I realized what it was, and I thought, you know what? That's what happened last time. So that is why I'm doing this video. Even though it seems simple, the strangest, most simple things can end up biting you in the butt. Alright, thanks for watching Junkerworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, master of none. You all have a good one.